In my previous video, I have already discussed about VLOOKUP formula, this VLOOKUP function in MS Excel. Now in this video, I will discuss about the HLOOKUP function in Microsoft Excel. So let's start. HLOOKUP formula, this HLOOKUP function is same just like VLOOKUP. The only difference is that it will search horizontally. That's VLOOKUP is for the vertical and this HLOOKUP is for the horizontal. Let's see one example here. Suppose first of all, I have created this drop down list. How to create this drop down list? Using the data validation under this data tab. You can see here this data validation. You can create this drop down list. I have already discussed in my previous videos, and here is the output cell where I have used the HLOOKUP formula. So HLOOKUP equals to HLOOKUP, then the reference cell, this C59, that means where the drop down list is created. This is the reference cell, and comma, and then the entire table. Entire table means this C55 to I57. The entire table I have selected. This is the source table, then comma, then 3. This 3 means it will be from this C55, C56, C57. Suppose this 57. That means we can find out the unit price. Unit price for each item we can find out. In case of VLOOKUP, we have seen that we can find out the value in the column number. So these 3 will be the column number in case of VLOOKUP function, and it will be the row number in case of HLOOKUP function. So this is the only difference, nothing else. So this row number, comma, and then 0. 0 is for the exact matching. Then close the bracket and press enter. So you can see, if I have selected this UPS, that means here is the UPS, and we can find out the value of this third row, that means unit price. So the unit price of UPS is 2600. If I select another item from the drop down list, suppose webcam, it is coming to 500. You can see the webcam price is 2500. If I select suppose printer, then it is coming 6500. So this is the drop down list, and this is the scanner price. Okay, if similar to that VLOOKUP function, if I modify the formula, instead of row number 3, if we put row number 2, that means row number 2 is for quantity, so it will show the quantity. So I have changed this 3 with 2, then press enter. You can see the scanner quantity, it is showing the quantity of the scanner is 1. Suppose if we put here webcam, then it is showing 4. That means this is 4. Quantity of webcam is 4. So similar to the VLOOKUP formula, here also we can modify. We can change the desired value. So which quantity or which row we want that data to be displayed here.